Hello, this is Chaz Bicknell with Realty One Group MVP, coming to you from Carlton Lakes. Wow, I remember when they were building these. One of my first deals was in Carlton Lakes back in '97 when they were all brand new. In the front, wow, the first buildings. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage condo in great condition, priced really well. If you'd like to see this, please feel free to call me anytime at 239-272-4442. Lots of space. This property has 2 different lanais, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage. If you'd like to see this property and more like it, you can see everything for sale in Southwest Florida on my website at www.chazbicknell.com. Very spacious, great condition, 2nd floor, beautiful condo. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My cell number is 239-272-4442. If you love these videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if there's anything in the world I can do for you.